In front of me is REALME C17, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, you need to access an app called Theme Store. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Agree in the pop-up and select Themes section at the bottom on the left right next to Home. Finally, you can pick one of those themes or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. When you're done, tap on Apply at the bottom and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my REALME was successfully changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, go into Devices Settings, scroll down just a bit and access Personalizations. Then click on Themes section and tap on one of the default ones at the top. Lastly, hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!